How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the bank button on the bottom left toolbar of your screen and then tap on the add money option you see there. Further, enter the amount you want to add to your account and then tap on the add button. Now, select the type of gift card that you have. Further, go ahead and enter the card details, which includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and finally tap on the link card button to complete the process. So, this is how you can transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.